Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name's Niall and we're gonna... I've never said something like that. My name's Niall, but there we go. Today we are going to be watching episode 10 of series 2 of Torchwood, and the episode is called From Out of the Rain.
Rain on me, rain.
Okay, let's just fire into this. Let's just see what's what.
Have we got a show for you tonight?
Okay.
A once-in-a-lifetime show!
Oh, it's American Horror Story Freak Show! Underrated season.
I am not the same as everyone.
Better. Ooh, do. Yada.
Great.
Oh, bye.
What is that?
Oh, is this going to be scary?
No!
Hey, Toshiko. I love Tosh. Wait, did you guys know that I love
I heard
Tosh?
this sound.
Oh.
It's the electro.
Oh, wow!
Oh, that's cute. Ah, something's gonna happen. Oh. This is awkward because there's like 5 people there less. I feel bad for them. Oh, they're all gonna see the creepy man.
Yeah. Right, come on, let's go.
Oh no.
Wait. Just saw Jack.
Yikes. I'm nervous. Ooh. Bye.
No, Gemma's brother couldn't
Bye.
film. His car don't work.
If I saw him coming towards me, I'd run. I would literally be like,
Can't
bing!
wait him.
Would you like a ticket for the traveling show, my dear?
Why would you let anyone get that close to
Every
you?
young person's dream.
I mean... Oh! She is dead. Oh, that's creepy. She's just sitting there. She's still waiting on that bus. No, don't open it. What are you doing? Girl.
You what?
I'd be like, slam that door. Why would you open the door? Like, I'd be like, read the sign.
Easy to miss at first, but after watching it a few times, I realised. Just there was a woman in front of that water tank.
Yeah, there was, Yonder, you're right.
Good eye. Is it because they've come out of the screen and the guy's gone?
MC?
Yeah, that's right. He was reaching
Yeah.
down to the audience. I was billed as the man who couldn't die.
Well, you're...
The night
It's
travelers
tea.
always found an audience.
Here we go again. Time
What
to
is
eat my
it?
crisps.
Don't be stupid.
Oh! Wow,
So the
good.
electro is the only one left.
Why is she... weird? His teeth are so disgusting. Eh.
We have their ghosts here. I can see them.
Same with his mustache. His mustache is disgusting too.
I'm so angry I could scream.
Did she say why?
There.
Yes, she said they were coming to steal her last breath.
Well, Christina knew what was up. The nurses in Cardiff Hospital must be like...
First witness.
See, when they hear Torchwood's coming along with some patients, they must be like, Jesus, here we go again. Oh, we saw him with Torchwood.
A man in dark clothes and a woman, a beautiful young woman in a silvery costume.
Oh,
She seemed to glisten.
she's not beautiful anymore. Look at her! A little dog.
He said he was the ghost maker. He wanted to
I thought she was going to say,
take my breath.
His
and
name is
put it
Ernie.
in his flask.
he's called Mark.
He said I could travel with his circus.
Jamie.
I would be in his audience forever.
Eugene.
I turned and ran away as fast as I could.
Yeah, good choice, Christine. Run from that madman. Oh, there she is. What's her name? Gillian Pearl? Was it Pearl? She's gonna sit up. Oh! Oh, there he is. Man, yeah. I'd be like, and see you later. Straight in, straight out. Bye. Why are you not like, excuse me, why are you here?
This way, please.
I'd be like, no, this is literally my building. I'll show you this way to the exit where you can meet the police.
We're at the Electro. Something's happening inside.
What?
Let's go.
I just don't. Okay, I'm confused as to how, like, they've come out of the film, they've been put on the film. Like, has that been explained yet? Have I talked over that? I'm just confused as to how that happens. I love when Torchwood music is so dramatic and nothing's really happening. Like, I'm like, yeah, like nothing's going on.
Check.
There's the big man himself. Big boy's out. He's huge. He's a very big man.
Open up!
We've done it. We're together again.
Oh, but you can't take Owen's soul because he's already dead.
Are you? There's not a breath in your poor sad body.
Exactly.
You're no use to me.
Oh, he has got such a big mouth.
He's got it! I've got it!
I've got it.
No! Please! If their breaths escape the flask, all the victims will die.
Quick, we could lose him forever.
I heard it. Something inside calling out to me.
So we've managed to save one.
Better than nothing, but not the best.
But which one?
Oh, can I
There was
guess?
nothing we could do.
It's one of
They
the
all
kids.
died.
Yeah, it's one of the kids, isn't it? Of course. Will it be? It's the young girl, isn't it? Oh,
I suppose he'll be next to go.
what's the wee boy?
What's in there?
Something belongs to him. His last breath. His life.
Okay.
What have you done to him?
But he's lost his whole family. His whole family is gone. Yikes. Is that really a win?
What worries me are all those long-lost pieces of film, tucked away in dusty cellars, hidden in lofts. The night travelers could still be there.
Okay. So I hope we never have to deal with the Night Travelers again because they were so boring. That episode's probably my least favorite of the entire season so far. I just felt it was very just boring. It was just boring. There was no real it didn't feel like there was any real threat. I know they were taking people and kind of killing them, but like it was just like it was just a bit meh. It just didn't make much sense in the way of like, how did they get out of the film and how did they film them again and kill them? Like, was that ever explained, or are we just being like, yeah, that's how it happens? There was nothing really spectacular about it. There was nothing really like mind-blowing, exciting. Like, it just felt like really run-of-the-mill, like a filler episode. It did feel like a really big filler episode. Like, I felt like they were like we've just been plowing through this season, and this is just kind of been a bump in the road, I guess. It's a bump in the road. But like there's always got to be a few episodes that are not good. Like, you can't have everything perfect. You can't have everything perfect. So it was like Jack being part of the show, I've genuinely thought, oh, we're gonna get a bit of backstory about Jack, we're gonna find something out, but then it's like, no, it's nothing. It's literally like absolutely nothing happened with that. It was just a bit, boring, and there was just felt like there was very no plot. Like, it was very nothing happened. Like, I just feel like, nothing actually went down. Yeah. And like, what was the mermaid, this mermaid woman, like, what was the point? I don't get it. Like, I just didn't get much of it. It was just it just didn't vibe. Just didn't vibe with it. It wasn't my cup of tea. But yeah, if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. I'd actually really like to see what people thought of this episode, because I do think it was quite low. I'd probably rate this episode a 2 out of 5. Is that bad? Well, too bad. It's getting a 2 out of 5. It's what it deserves. Just a very unsatisfying episode, I thought. Good idea. Just nothing happened. Nothing happened. It wasn't a vibe. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.